So in this lesson, we are going to style the rest of this form. And we're doing it now because you might notice that if you type something into here, you won't see it because the text is all white on a white background. So let's style the form so that we can actually see what we're typing in. So let's go to the login form, and here I will add a class, and so we're doing flexbox stuff here, and then for the H1 I'll do a BG yellow 300, give it some padding, bold, text center, and text black. And for the form, I'll make this the flex call with the gap 2, and for this I will also make it a flex column, gap 2, and I'll make this blue. And then for this one, I'll just copy and paste what I have in here for this input as well. And yeah, I guess this. And then for the button, I will make this red. And give it some margin on top. Okay, let's save and then let's take a look. Okay, so this is our login form, and then if we type into it, we should be able to see the text.